Alright guys, sorry about that. We got cut off a little bit. So, like I said, we're right here with our 3 packs. Let's see what the heck we got. Maybe it'll be a Baker. The last 2 I broke weren't dynamite. So that's why I figure this will be the last one I do. Oh, there's Aaron Rodgers there. All right. Aaron Rodgers. Big Ben. Oh, we got a printing plate in here. Let's do the Royce Freeman. Big old patch. And then, what are we going to do here? Cover it up with, we'll cover it up with Aaron Rodgers. All right. Mr. Aaron. Who do we have? Oh, we're upside down. Well, then I guess we're going to cover it up with James White. All right. Mr. White, we have, for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, no autograph. But we got Mike Evans, 101 printing plate. Nice. Nice extra hit. There's room for an auto down there. Would have been nice. We'll take that. All right. Let's go to our next one. Sorry about the mess. All right. Oh, we got a redemption. Dang it. Derrick Henry. Jared Goff. Jarvis Landry. Ryan Tannehill. And then rookie patch autograph Ruby Spotlight. Card number 137. Hayden Hurst. Well, I guess. So we should have an RPA in this last pack. Let's see what the heck's in here. That's red. Marshawn Lynch. Doug Baldwin. Amari Cooper. Dalvin Cook. And our last one is Ito Smith. Rookie autograph on card 11/25. Huh. All right, well, I guess we got 4 hits out of there. It's not too bad. All right, guys, well, I'm going to package these up. If you want, check us out. Go to the YouTube page up top there. A lot of these cards you'll find for sale. All right, thanks again.